Reading practice to improve pronunciation and speaking skills in English. The Loch Ness Monster. It is uncertain whether the Loch Ness Monster actually exists. However, it is certain that there cannot be only one monster. If one monster exists, there must be at least 20 to form a family. No creature could have survived alone for over 7,000 years. The first written account of the monster was from a Celtic biographer in the year 565 AD. This writer describes how a man was attacked by a monster while swimming in the River Ness. The legend may have already existed in those days, as it has been a part of Scottish folklore for many centuries. The myth did not become well known in England due to the distance of Loch Ness from the rest of Britain. Until the railway age, few people ever travelled to the Highlands of Scotland, except soldiers or officials from the Scottish lowlands. The north of Scotland was a wild, desolate, and generally cold area, inhabited more by sheep than by people. The myth gained popularity in 1930 when 3 men claimed to have seen a monster while out on a boat on the lake. Several other people claimed to have seen one too. In 1933, a man took the first photo of the monster from a distance of approximately 100 meters. Although the photo was not clear, Kodak confirmed it was real. The most famous photo was taken in 1934 by a London surgeon and seems to show a long neck and a small head sticking up out of the water. If the photo is real, Nessie looks like a dinosaur. Several other photos have been taken since then, but none of them were clear. If there is a monster, it is likely to be shy and does not often come to the surface. It also does not appear near the shore on a sunny afternoon in the summer. If it did, many people would have taken photos of it, and there would be no more mystery. Until now, it has avoided publicity, assuming it exists. In 1987, people used sonar equipment to try to discover Nessie, but they found nothing. No one has proven that the Loch Ness Monster exists, but no one can prove that it does not exist. It remains a great mystery. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more amazing contents.